Hi, this is Carole with Dowsing tip number 29, and today I'm going to talk about clearing curses. And curses are, the worst of the curses are considered elemental thought forms that are imbued with evil energy and directed at somebody. I believe that even like a doctor's pronouncement about a medical condition can be construed as a little curse sometimes because they sound so final at that point. Anyway, your curses can be sent or they can be boomeranging and coming back to the client from another lifetime. So we want to know, when it was from, and mostly from past life, occasionally from this life. One time I heard Mothers Against Drunk Drivers giving a talk on the radio, and she actually sat there and said, every morning I get up, I curse the person who killed my child. And that's not good. It is a curse. So don't. So the procedure I follow to clear curses is first to take my client, myself, to what I call the safe place in the sky, a sandbox. And this is all intention, of course. At this point, we call in all participants who have either sent the curse or that it's boomeranging from. And at the same time, I want to use the opportunity to clear as many and as much of this as possible. So I'm asking for all souls, any soul that has ever been cursed by the client or is sending a curse from any time, past, present, or future, to be present. Once we're all gathered, I ask that each soul retract any curses, ask for forgiveness, and offer forgiveness, because we don't know what was happening at the time that the curse crossed that person's lip. And so once that requirement is completed, I ask the recorder angels to rewrite the Akashic records, clean up any issues about the curses for the souls that choose to participate. And then once I get a little signal from my pendulum, I know the client can step away from the sandbox free and clear of any effects of any of these souls, and will not be affected in the future because they're now separated from the matrix as long as they've done their thing as well. And the other souls can take advantage of the healing or not. It's their choice. But they can no longer affect the client. There's a wall there. So to clear a curse, go to a safe spot, call in all participants you want to work with, ask that any curses be retracted, bring in forgiveness and apology, have the recorder angels come in to rewrite the scenarios, and then now the patient, the client, can step away from the matrices, free and clear. And that is how I clear curses during LifeWeaving sessions. Have a good day.